Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to enable or disable auto download media when roaming. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app. Press on three dots with showing on top right. Click on setting. Scroll down till we get data and storage. Click on when roaming. Here is type of media which you can auto download when roaming, like image, audio, video, document. Also you can remove whatever you want, and after that press OK. That's it. If this is your first time you're watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.